we're really interested in are the dynamics of single-family neighborhoods. And what really motivated us to do this research is to understand whether recent dynamics may have shifted opinion on these issues in important ways. People's local political ideologies may actually sort of be inconsistent with what they think about at the national level. And so the question that we ask in our research is whether explicit connections with national politics and race shape American support for inclusive land use. We showed in our data something like 18% of states have at least weighed getting rid of single-family zoning. So the first thing we're really interested in understanding is this main effect of racial liberalism. Folks that are who are liberal on both white guilt and liberal on perceptions of white advantage are much more likely to support zoning reform. But the public actually looks like it's largely not terribly movable in the face of appeals that are designed to prime salient racial and partisan identity.